Hello everyone, welcome back with Creo basic tutorial how to add balloons into drawings. For example, I will create a simple part. You can click here part, click OK. Next, I will choose top view, and you can click sketch, click this top plane. The next, I will create a simple rectangle and circle inside it. Okay. Now you can click OK, and we can use Extrude tools to convert into 3D. Okay, you can move into these points and you can click OK. We already create this simple 3D parts, and I will save these objects. You can click here. Okay, I will save into this point with the names parts. Click OK. So to be automatically saved, you can close. And we can create new drawings. Okay, I will use empty templates with A4 paper size. To insert, you can click here, drawing models, click add models, and I will add these parts, click open. You can click general view, and I will use this no combine state. Click at this point. Here I will set into top, click apply. Okay, and to create projection you can click and use these tools. Okay, I will correct to the top here, and also I will correct in here. So if you want to add balloons into this part, you can go to annotate menu and click annotations, click balloon nodes, and in here I will use with leaders with the other default options, and you can click make node. The next we can use a fillet dot, and I will click these objects. You can press middle mouse in here. So to be sure for enter node, I will set into 1. Click OK. OK again, and it will be automatically create balloons. Okay, you can use a with leaders and click make node. Use a fillet dot and click at these objects. I will click middle click in here. Okay, and it will be show enter node 2. Click OK. OK again, it will be show. So you can choose with leader, make node, fillet dot, select the objects, and press middle mouse to apply, and we create number 3. OK, and OK again. Now you can click done to return. Okay, we already insert balloons into these drawings, and if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.